the Deluxe Reverb. It came in with two complaints. The reverb tank was making this shrieking noise and the tremolo was in op. So the first thing I did was changed out all the caps on the eyelet board. Okay, I didn't bother to show that in the video because I think I've shown it enough. You guys understand the process. There's all the old caps. So the hope was maybe changing out the caps would resolve either the tremolo or reverb issue. So let's test and see if it made any difference. Well, I've got a speaker hooked up and I'm using the audio generator for my input. So first, let's check that reverb, okay? We're not using tremolo this time. So there's reverb, right? Let's bring it up. Vary the frequency. Let's bring up the volume. Oh yeah. Nope. Did not help the reverb. Alright, so the owner already purchased a new reverb tank. So I'm going to hook that up, and if that resolves that, we'll move on to the tremolo. I'm pretty sure it's a bad tank. Alright, here's the replacement Accutronics unit. We'll bring her back up. Reverb level about 3. Itself. Yep, it was a reverb tank. Good deal. Now let's move on to the tremolo circuit and see if it's working. Alright, so reverb's down. Take my frequency down here. Intensity does nothing. So here is the replacement LDR unit. Take a look at this picture and they'll show you how it's installed. Okay, so the picture clearly states that the dot goes to the optic side, which is over here. So it's going to sit in there just like that. Let me get it installed. We'll retest. Well, there's the new little LDR installed. I got the amp on. Let's give it signal. And now let's see if we have tremolo. Yep. Alright. So you will notice that the speed is pretty fast. You'd probably never play your tremolo like this, right? Alright, so here is the stock tremolo circuit. We just replaced the LDR, and that's operational again, but it's too fast. So to slow it down and get it more in the range of what you need for playing, we're going to change this cap. We're going to add a cap. So it's going to look like this circuit. And this is supposed to also correct the Fender tick. So that little pop, 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 pop you have in the background all the time, it should be gone. Alright, let's do the mod. Alright, so the tremolo mod is installed. So now I have two of the .022s, 1.01 on the timing circuit, and then from the 10 meg resistor to ground I've added that .01 microfarad cap. So let's check the speed. There we go. You can see the range is much more usable now than what it was. If I turn all the way down, I do not hear that tick 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 in the speaker anymore. So there you go, a very nice upgrade for about $1 to your Deluxe. Alright, coming along nicely on this Deluxe, we have the reverb and the tremolo repaired. The eyelet board has all been recapped, and it has new filter caps installed. So I'm going to go ahead and get this thing back in the cabinet, and we're going to have a test, see if there's any more issues, but we're getting close to the finish line. Hey there! I got Tony. He's going to give the Deluxe Reverb a initial checkout after the caps. I still have not replaced the filter caps yet, but the tremolo and reverb I think, or repaired.
Repaired, and he did a little trick to make the vibrato sound quieter and actually slow it down a little bit. But sorry, there's plenty of speed, all you need. But now it took the tick out of it, so it sounds much better.
Sounds good, man.
Here's a classic example of what you would play with the vibrato and the reverb together. I'm sure you'll recognize this. Something like this.
So is that James Bond or Danger Mouse? Hey everybody, I got a customer pickup here on a Fender Deluxe Reverb. Matt just drove up from Indianapolis, a heck of a haul to get his amp. But I think he's happy with it. He's going to give you a little sample of what it sounds like. Great. Oh, that reverb sounds great. It's alright. Yeah, it's smooth, man. Vibrato channel. All right. Perfect on it. Yeah, I actually did. There is a modification on the Tremolo circuit to get rid of the tick, tick, tick. I did that mod. It's just another cap. Wow. This thing sounds so much better too. Yeah. And now this is run to your friends, those JJ tubes that you like in the outputs, if you want to plug him. Yeah, and we're using Euro tubes, JJs, all through this amplifier. It's been a pretty steady tube for me over the years, and but they sound really good in here. So thanks a lot to Euro tubes. You can check them out at eurotubes.com. So right, thanks a lot, D-Labs. Really appreciate it. All right, man. Awesome. Is it actually just with volume only? Yep, just volume only. Okay. So Matt's playing the Plexi amp. A little demo for you guys. That's amazing, man. It's all like 8 to
that sounds great.
Cool,
Check
man.
it out, the Plexi.
Yeah.
Very good. All
Thanks,
right.
man. Thank you.